to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now.
Hello my sweet friends, happy Tuesday. Today has been a day. It has been one of those days where you feel like you just go, 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 and yet your to-do list seems like it's getting bigger instead of smaller. And like, someone explained that to me. I've just been working on some videos today, which has been very fun. But yeah, I'm just shocked at how quickly the time has gone today. Then I just popped out and did some grocery shopping. I was supposed to go to the gym today. I don't think I'm gonna have time. So it's just frustrating when things don't work out how you think they're gonna work out, but it's really not that big of a deal. I need to put all these books away because I just filmed a video with them. So let's get that sorted.
Yeah, promise I won't forget. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go.
Did I make a coffee to drink on my drive on the way to the coffee shop? Yes, but I have no regrets. It's 7 a.m. I just got to Nodo. Soph and I are working from Nodo this morning. Can we normalize having your friends on Find My Friends? Because I arrived and I just checked my phone and I can see where Soph is, and I know I've got a couple more minutes to sit in my car and drink my coffee. And that's just kind of nice to just like know where she's at without even having to text her or her having to text me while she's driving. Let's normalize that. It's not creepy to have people on Find My Friends if you both mutually agree to be on there. It's just helpful. You know when you're on like a decent drive and you just kind of like get in your brain and like in your thoughts and you're just thinking about the most random things? It kind of reminds me of like shower thoughts. And I was just thinking about how the heck is it 2023? And also how the heck was 2018 5 years ago? Because I think about my life in 2018 and that cannot be 5 years ago. For example, the Squad House was 5 years ago. Is that not crazy? Surely that was not 5 years ago. If you've been here since the Squad House, you've been here for 5 years. And also like 5 years ago was not me in high school. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm like 7 years out of high school? That's terrifying. I still feel like I'm 20. I'm turning 25 this year. You're telling me that I met Liam 9 years ago. I've known him for almost a decade. No, I absolutely refuse. I refuse to grow any older. That is just simply ridiculous. My travel coffee cup is from Wildflower. I'll try and remember to link it down below. I feel like that's like annoying for me to say, but I always get questions about things, so I try and link as many things as possible in the description, literally just so you guys can know where things are from, and I'm not trying to, you know, like gatekeep things. And because like if I love something, I want everyone to have one, you know what I mean? But this keeps your coffee hot for so long. Like I've used other keep cups before and it's just, this just hits different. They also have other colors, but the pink is quite cute. I'm also really glad I had a coffee before coming this morning, or like on my way, because I am just like too tired to function today.
Nice latte?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
I can't mix it.
Like semi going down.
I got home like 20 minutes ago and I think I want to, well I don't want to, but I'm gonna head to the gym. What do we want to wear today? I've got, you know what I want to wear? This. I haven't worn it yet. And then some black bike shorts. I don't know how I feel about this zip situation. Like what if it comes down when I'm working out? Maybe I should wear a little sports bra underneath. I do have one of the Gymshark minimal sports bras, which are just kind of little, which would be perfect for this, I think. This one, let's try on the fit. I don't think I've ever really worn something like this. It's almost, I don't know if I should call it a vest. It does have padding in it, so I'm just taking that out because I never wear padding in my sports bras or like my tops, I guess. Oh, okay. There's a literal clasp, almost like a little bikini clasp or something, that joins it together, which is actually so handy because you know how I said, oh, but what if it like comes undone while I'm working out? Well, it won't, because there's a clasp that will keep it together at least, so it's not going to just like pop open everything. This is what it looks like. They also have a t-shirt version, which I have not worn yet either. And you can undo the zip this way as well. I could obviously wear the zip down here, but I think I like it kind of like that. I'm gonna try on the t-shirt version as well, just to like see, because I haven't tried this one on yet either. Removing the padding again. I might like this one even more. Oh, you know what? This is so cool. I love the little collar. That's kind of fun. Maybe I'll train in this today. It's very like movable, if that makes sense. And again, this zip goes both ways. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. This is not sponsored. I'm just kind of obsessed with stacks. I don't even know what's on my program today. Fit check. We have some errands to run this morning. I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of procrastinated doing any of these tasks all week because I've just been busy at home like working, but at the same time I'm kind of glad that I pushed them all to one day because now I can just smash them all out at once. Some of them are fun, some of them are like not that fun, but they're like not bad. So we have to go to my PO box. I also want to check the Big W at that shopping centre because they always have the best book selection, and there have been a bunch of new releases lately that I do want to get my hands on. I have a bunch on my list that I want to get. I definitely won't buy all of them today, but I might buy one or two if I see ones that I'm really wanting. I also have to go to a gym to do a little sign up situation. Then I need to go to another post office because I have some packages to pick up. So we're going to 2 different post offices today, which is like not my favorite thing, but it is what it is. It's around 10 a.m. right now. I need to be home by 1 p.m. because I have a meeting, and then I want to go to the gym after that, and then I need to come home and do some more editing and emails and things like that. So, oh, I forgot to add actually. I need to go to the library, and maybe we'll do a bit of a package unboxing when I get home because obviously I have a couple to pick up at the post office, but then I also have some that I received throughout this week that I haven't opened yet, so that could be fun. So let's just hang out. I kind of love doing errands, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of just fun like whizzing around doing lots of different things and like, well, my camera almost fell. Checking off lots of things on a to-do list. We'll pop on a podcast. What do I feel like? I might do a Jay Shetty. I've been really loving On Purpose by Jay Shetty, which I mean like everyone loves that podcast. It's nothing revolutionary, but I just love the way he talks and he always makes me feel so motivated. Let's go.
Spend my time alone with you. You and I got lost to lose, but I'm not in love with you. 1, 2, 3, oh hi, nice to meet you. Here online, no, no. Made all the guys on hold. Yeah. 4, 5, 6 white bright. Oh man, now that was supposed to be less. Oh no.
I just got home from the gym, did a little body session. We are in a heat wave right now, which is so wild to me because I know like people in Melbourne are literally wearing like jumpers. I saw a girl this morning on TikTok, she's like, why am I wearing a jumper to the gym in the middle of summer? And I was like, cannot relate. It is literally 35 degrees at like 10 a.m. So I've just put the aircon on, but I thought we could unbox my packages together because I think I mentioned I haven't opened any of the packages I received this week, and I feel like I've had more this week than I usually do. I don't normally have this many packages to open. I personally love watching people open packages. I just find it so fun and so satisfying. I feel like it gives almost the same feeling as opening it yourself. So I thought it'd be fun to share. Let me know if you don't like it. Obviously I don't have to keep doing it, but I just think it's fun. Just for transparency, we have gifted, bought myself, gifted, bought myself. Just so you guys are aware. Let's start off with the big one. Also, I have coffee on my shirt, so just ignore that. This one is from Stacks. They just launched a bunch of accessories for the gym. I feel like it's a big box and it's like not empty, but like the box is very large for what's actually inside. This is the actual box inside. That is such a large box. Ta-da! So we have a gym towel, a Stacks skipping rope, Stacks booty bands. These actually look really good. Very excited about those. We have the water bottle bag and the water bottle. I'll actually show you this because I think it's pretty cool. Perfect if you're going on a walk or something and you don't like carrying your water bottle in your hands. That is so sleek. So this is the Stacks water bottle, and then this is the little water bottle bag, and it's designed to perfectly fit this water bottle. I'm assuming it would fit some other water bottles as well, but probably not all. And it has a pocket at the front. We also have some new Stacks socks. These look so nice. I love new socks, and they've just got the Stacks embroidered there. They actually look perfect. I'm so excited about this. I think this could potentially be my new gym bag. This is so cute. So this is like a padded tote, zip at the top, a bunch of pockets on the inside, a pocket on the outside. That is just beautiful. I feel like that would be the perfect size for me to bring to the gym, not like too big. I'll link the Stacks accessories down below if you guys want to check them out, and I do have a code which you can use if you want to. Obviously you don't have to, but I do really appreciate it. I have a package from Gabsies which I'm so excited about. I'll leave Gabsies link down below as well. How cute. So Gabsies just launched a new collection called the Cupid collection in time for Valentine's Day. So we have some little lollies, and then she always wraps everything so cute. Firstly, she sent over one of these like heatless curl things. I'm so excited to try this. I haven't tried any of the heatless curl hacks. And then the other thing that she sent me is this headband. I'm so excited about this. These are all over TikTok and I think they are just the cutest thing. She has them in pink and white, so definitely check them out if you want to get your hands on one. I think they'll just be so nice for doing my skincare in the evenings, getting my hair out of my face, or for like doing my makeup as well. We actually have another package from Stacks. This one I bought myself because I got some stuff from the new Core collection and I loved some of the pieces so much that I just wanted them in more colors. So I bought myself 3 new pairs of the Core bike shorts. I showed you me wearing these a couple weeks ago and I said that they were a longer length than I usually go for because Stacks has the bike short length, which is this length. Then they have a midi length, which is a little bit shorter, and then they have like a mini length, which are almost like booty shorts. So these are the longest style they have in the shorts and I just really liked them. So I got the color Time, Dark Grey, and Sage. And these are the 3 colors together. Such beautiful colors. Next we have a package from Petal and Pup, and I think they sent 1 or 2 outfits because I'm going to a little Galentines event literally tomorrow. It's at my friend Bree's house and she's like hosting it with Petal and Pup, and so we all got sent an outfit to wear, which is just so sweet. First of all, we have a tote. I love these totes. I use them for everything. I have a few of them now. And then we have 2 outfit options. Oh my gosh, I can already tell that I love this. The first one is a little skirt and top set. So this is the top. It is so beautiful. And then we just have a beautiful long white skirt to go along with it. And then this is a second option. It is very Galentines. Like obviously we have the beautiful pink pattern. It's just this beautiful like midi slash maxi dress, some fun puffy sleeves. I don't know which one I want to wear. That can be a tomorrow decision. And lastly, we have a package from Sabo or Sabo. Sabo is one of my favorite brands. Whenever I go onto their website, I could literally buy everything. Every time I see they have new arrivals, I just scroll through the page and I'm like, wow, like this is all so beautiful. I have like 2 dresses from them and they're like my prized possessions. And now I have 3 because I did buy myself a new one because I saw this and I was like, this is my dream dress. Like this is perfect to me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope it fits well. It is this beautiful maxi dress. It just goes all the way down. It's tight around the chest, but then it just flows out like a baby doll kind of style, which is my absolute favorite style in tops and in dresses. And the dresses that I already have in this style are just like my most worn pieces in my wardrobe. So when I saw this, I was like, I need it. I'm just hesitant because it doesn't have adjustable straps, so hopefully it fits fine. But this is just the most beautiful pattern and style, and it's just one of those pieces that is so timeless and I'm just gonna wear for years and years and years. But those are all my packages. Next on the list for today, editing. I was about to say good morning. It's definitely not morning. I think it's like 2 p.m. But I have had the most chill day. I actually just finished packing a little overnight bag because I'm sleeping over at George's place tonight. We have a Galentine's dinner at Bree's, which I think I mentioned to you yesterday. I also showed you both of my outfit options yesterday, and I think I've decided to go with the white one. I tried them both on. Honestly, really liked them both, but I just felt a little bit more confident in this one, and it felt a little bit more me. So I'm gonna go with that. But I'm so excited. I feel like Valentine's Day themed things are just so cute. Anything with like pink and hearts is just so fun. I really thought I had a lot more to say, but I guess I don't. I guess not much has been really going on today, so there's not much to tell you. You know what? We do have a little something. I actually received potentially one of the most exciting packages that I have ever received in my life, and I've actually had it in my possession for like probably a week now, but I've just been almost like, I don't even know what the right word would be. You know when you're just like so excited for something that it almost makes you a bit nervous? I don't know if that makes sense, but in this package there is a book, and it's from an author slash a publisher. I'm not actually sure whether it was the author or the publisher that sent it to me because it went through my manager, but in this package there is a book from an author that I absolutely love, and they asked me if I wanted to receive their new release that is coming out kind of soon actually, and of course I freaked out and said yes. I was actually sitting at coffee with one of my friends when I got the email, and the email popped up on my Apple Watch, and I looked down, read the like subject title on my watch, and I'll reenact it for you. Chatting away with them, suddenly get this notification, and my friend was like, are you okay? And I was like, yeah, I'm okay, but I'm freaking out. This is a book that is one of my most anticipated new releases for the year. And like I said, I received this package like a week ago and it's just been sitting on this shelf because I'm just like, I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm so excited, but I'm almost just like, I almost feel undeserving to have this in my hands. So I'm gonna shut up and open it now because I know you guys will probably be dying to see what it is. Oh, that wasn't as satisfying as I thought it would be. You're telling me that I have this in my hands before it's released. You're telling me that I get to read this before it actually gets released. I've never had that happen to me before. I am quite literally freaking out. I can't believe that. I won't talk about this for too long, but if you're unaware, this is the second book in a series. It's called the Knock 'Em Out series. Knock 'Em Out is a town, so it's a small town romance. And in the first book, we had Knox and Naomi, and this book is about Knox's brother, who's called Nash. And it looks like his love interest is called Lena. And guys, it's so floppy. It's perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. This is what the outfit looks like on, and I've got some little sandals on, but I don't know if I should do it on or off the shoulder. What do we think? I'm also ready, and you know when you're just like ready to go and you're just kind of like twiddling your thumbs? That's kind of what I feel like right now. I also decided to go for a little pink bag just to make it a bit more like Galentines-y. Is that cute? Like, I think I prefer off the shoulder. Why am I nervous? I'm literally just gonna go hang out with friends. I feel like I always get nervous when I literally go and do anything. Anyways. Also, everything fits in this new Stacks bag so nicely. I know I said I was gonna use it as a gym bag, but I thought I might just try it as an overnight bag just for tonight because it was kind of just like there. And I was like, oh, that would be perfect. And it's just like such a perfect size for an overnight bag to fit like an outfit, some toiletries, makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna even need makeup tomorrow, but it's just so perfect.